Oh. Eris. My goodness, kitty cat. Can you not scare me like that, please? Let me say hello. Okay, my nature-loving friends. So, last time I was really inspired by the picture that I did of my boyfriend. And I don't normally make a lot of men, so I thought I would try to make a guy with this beard. Because last time I saw it, I was like, ooh, I really want to make a guy out of this. I'm just gonna kind of draw this woodsman guy. There's our concept. Oh, this is turning out good. I'm pretty happy. I'm about to paint him with my soil paints by The Love of Soil. Hey, look at that bird. Our man needs some hair. Oh, cool. Okay, next. Alright, I think we're done with them. And there he is. Hope you liked them. Lots of love. See you next time.